How to copy a campaign. There may be times that rather than creating a new campaign from scratch, you want to copy a campaign that you've previously created. This can save you time and is super helpful if you're running the same campaign for different leads, or if you want to run a similar campaign as one you've previously created and you want to use most of the same action items and maybe just change a couple of things. Start by navigating to Campaigns and look at your list of My Campaigns. Choose the campaign that you wish to copy and click into it. In the top right, from the Actions menu, in the drop-down, choose Copy Campaign. In the pop-up window, name your copied campaign and click Save. Please keep in mind that the system will allow you to have duplicate campaigns with the same name, but we always recommend as a best practice that you want to name them uniquely so you don't get confused. At least add the name Copy or Test into the title, such as Campaign A Copy, or Campaign A Test, to keep them separate so that you don't get confused. The system would technically allow you to have multiple campaigns named Campaign A, but you may get confused on which is which, so we always recommend using a unique name to identify them. Once you've copied the campaign, it will be in draft mode by default. You can make any adjustments or changes that you want, or not if you want to keep it the same, and then make sure you activate it in order to use it. Now you know how to copy a campaign. It's as easy as that. You're all set.